good, neighbor. I'm here at an undisclosed location, and I took a little road trip. Now I want to tell you about where I'm at, but it's undisclosed. So one thing I want to show you while I'm here at this little undisclosed location is check out these beauties. If you're gonna travel to the desert, which I'm not, look at this baby. Oh yeah, the old Woofy Mobile. You see it? That's right, look at that baby. This is pure dust loving fun with a spare tire. You thought Honda only made cars and lawnmowers? Nope, they make four-wheel drive. Look at the suspension on that baby. Oh my goodness. It's got nothing on the Polaris Ranger, which is a nice vehicle, but this baby, boy, that's a assault vehicle. Look at the front end on that, even with the winch. So with that, let's go see what else we can get into here on vacation. Well, it is apparent that I'm at an undisclosed location with the sunset behind me, and look what I've found in the air. It's an unified flying object, and look at it flying in the sunset with a beautiful horizon behind it. This is a homemade craft built by an Whoa! This man is reckless. These people are crazy. But that is, whoa, a dive bomber. I better keep your head on your shoulders, boy. That thing just dive bombed me. Yeah, that's a crazy shot. But the sun is going down and the pilot is out. Whoa.
I don't like it when it's coming right for me.
Anyway.
Like I said, I gave this one a little bit too much control, so I can turn sharp enough and it'll just stall and it'll just turn instantly.
Well, we don't want a recovery mission. So thanks for showing off that awesome unified flying object, homemade by the way, by one unidentified pilot. What a beauty.
Yeah, the other one goes a lot faster and it's a lot more, and it can do a lot more tricks. Like, I think I'd barely be able to get a loop-de-loop out of this one. Let's see. If I can get a little higher.
Don't do it. Whatever you do, don't look down. Oh,
I got a little bit.
recover.
Yeah, I need a little bit more speed.
All right, there goes the car to get our food. Can I get a peace out?